I wish you can smell it through the screen. We're testing out the viral Odour Eliminators, and this is the ultimate test. I just received them. This is the first time I tried them. Basically, the way they work, they are fragrance free, and instead of covering up smells, the scientists that co-founded this company actually created a formula that oxidizes the smell and gets rid of it. I have 3 test strips. We have some curry chutney, distilled vinegar, because I can't stand the smell of distilled vinegar. It makes me sick for some reason. And this is my strongest perfume. It's the type of perfume that you put on and you can wash your clothing 5 times, it'll still smell like it. So if you can get rid of these smells, I'm sold. Let's try curry first. Whew, that's potent. It smells really good, but it's really, really potent. Okay, this is strong. This is the moment of truth. You can see the paper, I dipped it in properly. Let's see. Oh, that's so strange. It doesn't smell like anything. What? In the box, you get one that's specifically for pets. This is vet approved in the UK. It is cruelty free, enzyme free, fragrance free, and has no VOC. You also get the odor free eliminator for household. This is especially great for cooking. And my favorite, and this is the one that I'm most excited for, is the normal smells bathroom. This is very small, so it's travel size, and I travel a lot. So this is amazing. You just pop it in your bag. So if you're on a sweaty coach, a plane, an airport, a hotel that doesn't smell nice, this is gonna be your best friend, and I'm so excited to use this. Okay, let's try something else. Distilled vinegar, my arch nemesis for some reason. Oh, I already smell it. Oh, distilled vinegar is so stingy. Oh, okay, that's enough. Well, how do I keep smelling it? Let's try the bathroom odor eliminator this time. Some people use vinegar for cleaning, so let's see. I can literally smell the cardboard. What? This is so trippy. This is insane. Okay, last one. Okay, yep, perfume. Last one that we're putting to the test. See, the odor eliminators can't distinguish between a good smell and a bad smell. They just oxidize any smell. This is so insane. I'm just smelling wet cardboard. It's very trippy. It's very trippy. I just can't wrap my head around this. I don't understand. Well, now I can say that these were definitely worth every single penny. Let me know what other smells you think we should try to eliminate. And if you don't trust my review and you want to try it out yourself, I would definitely recommend to try this one. It's only £6 and you can convince yourselves.